Hello, good afternoon, everybody. This is Pooja Sharma. I welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel of Focus Academy. Today I am here with the topic of same self introduction by school students. But today I'll tell you some tips which you can use while giving your introduction. What is the reason behind that we can't express ourselves in a better way? What is where we are lacking? Here are only two things which you have to need. The very first thing is confidence, and second is practice. Confidence and practice both shows in your voice. So, what you have to do to increase your confidence and for practice that you can introduce yourself in a very well manner. The very first thing is try to introduce yourself in alone in front of mirror. You have to see what type of expressions your face is showing to the other person. So alone you can practice in a loud manner while in front of mirror. This is the first tip. The secondly, when you will be comfortable in alone, then you have to introduce yourself among that person who is your well-wisher. It may be your mother, it may be your father, it may be your brother or sister, or it may be your friend. Your well-wisher should be there. On the front of him or her, you can introduce yourself in a very well manner. When you will practice 10 times before the mirror and 2 or 3 times in front of your well-wisher, I am quite sure that you will be more confident. There will be a bigger difference in the first time when you introduce yourself and at the last time when you are introducing yourself. Now here are some more tips which you have to use. The first is don't rub your hands. While introduce yourself, never rub your hands with each other or never shake your fingers. It shows your nervousness. Don't show it. The second is make eye to eye contact. Wherever you are introducing yourself, try to make a eye contact. If there is a biggest audience, then you have no need to see in a particular person's eyes. You just see on the audience. Everybody will think that the person who is giving introduction, he is looking on him, but you just see at the audience. Or if there is only 2 or 3 persons, then you have to maintain the eye contact. The very important thing is speak loudly. Don't speak so much slow that the other persons think that what he is speaking. Speak loudly. It shows your confidence. Next is keep smile on your face. While introduce yourself, you have to keep smile on your face. It shows your confidence, your better way to talk, to speech. Next is keep your normal behavior and language. Don't be hesitate. Don't be take the tension that you are among of an audience. You are in front of some very famous persons. No need to show that. Just keep your behavior in normal and use your normal language. No need to show off it for in your introduction. Okay, I think these were the some tips which will make effective to your introduction. The very important thing is confidence and practice. I always advise you to practice and practice, as it is well said that practice makes a man perfect. Okay, bye bye. Use these tips while introducing yourself. I hope that it will be really helpful for you. Now share, like and comment my channel. Bye bye.